Kumusta mga Qs? Welcome back to my channel, Daddy Q Vlogs. So, for today's cooking video, maiba-iba lang. Samahan nyo lang akong gumawa ng ramen. So, this is not something na naisip kong gawin. Just a backstory. Si wife ko kasi umorder kanina sa kapitbahay namin ng ramen. And, ina-expect ko, luto na siya. Pero, ito yung dumating sa amin. So, ayan. Medyo kupas na nga lang yung label, pero it's a ready to cook ramen. Na-excite akong gawin kasi authentic ramen siya eh. So, it's not yung parang usual na mami. So, this is more like an impromptu cooking kasi hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman nito. At least it has instructions, so we'll just follow the instructions and samahan niyo lang ako. Let's go! NANI?! So, tayo yung nagbabalik. Binuksan ko na yung contents nung nasa bag ng ramen. What we will be making for this specific type of ramen is yung, kung nababasa nyo, Sapporo Miso Ramen. Okay? It has instructions. Madali namang sundin. So, kung gusto nyo, if nababasa nyo siya, ayan, ayan. You can just pause the video and then just read the instructions. If in case na maisipan nyo rin na bumili ng ramen on the go. Now, contents would be here. Here is the ramen noodles, leeks, or green onions. I'm not really sure. So, ito yung fish cake. I think this is dried seaweed. Tapos, we also have yung roast pork. Taray, oh. Corn, yung broth, and then yung ramen base. So, we'll just follow the instructions. We'll first do the ramen broth, then the noodles, and then we assemble. Ganun lang kasimple. So, let's go. So, mag-start na tayo. First step is heat the ramen broth in a cooking pan. And then add the ramen base to the broth and stir well. Cook until fully diluted. Okay? So, here is the ramen broth. And then, lagyan natin sa pan. Make sure na low heat lang. Baka bigla siyang mag-evaporate na lang. Ayan, sabi ko nga. Alright. Okay. So, kasa natin yung temperature onte. Then we add the ramen base. And then we mix. Next step na gagawin natin is to prepare our ramen noodles. So, based on sa instructions, ito yung ramen noodles natin. Cook the ramen noodles in boiling water for 1 minute and 30 seconds. O, diba? Very strict. So, ayan, nagpapakulo na, boboil na ako ng water. Lalagyan natin yung ating ramen noodles. Alright. Sintayin lang natin siyang maluto 1 minute and 30 seconds. Tapos, ni-research ko pala guys na yung mga ramen house sa Japan, very strict sila when it comes to cooking ramen noodles in terms of timing. Kasi parang once na maluto na yung noodles, yung mismong ramen noodles, they have to prepare the actual ramen right away. Kasi mabilis siyang ano ba yung term? Ma-overcook or maging soggy. So, syempre, ang Japan sobrang strict when it comes to their ramen. Kailangan perfect lagi. Okay? So, orasan na lang natin 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then after this, assemble na tayo. Let's go! So, yun, tapos na ang ating ramen. In fairness, napakadali lang niyang gawin. And naparami lang yung sabaw. Kasi syempre, ayoko na masabi ng malat. So, ito yung tsura niya. Diba? Nice. Okay. So, if in case na kailangan nyo nga ng tulong, let's say, gusto nyo nga bumili ng ramen, especially ngayong pandemic, bawal ang mga dine-in sa mga ramen house, mga ganyan. For sure, meron silang mga ganong option na yung mga ready to cook. So, ganun lang talaga siyang madaling gawin. Okay? So, guys, sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. And I hope na sa mga di pa nagsasubscribe dyan, subscribe na. And yun na. So, hit like, comment, and don't forget to share the video, subscribe. And thank you for watching Daddy Q Vlogs. Till next time. Peace out.